Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Being Persistent. So now today we are going to discuss about how to design an effective questionnaire for research. So we all know that after the introduction, then literature review, then when you read lots of books, you review the literature, you need to prepare the questionnaire. Why questionnaire is necessary? It is necessary for your data collection process. Okay, because without questionnaire you cannot collect your data for your research. Okay, so if you know that there are two types of data collection methods, one is primary method and another one is secondary method. I have already covered that video in previous lectures. Okay, so what is primary method? Primary method is that method in which you face to face interview that person or face to face collect the data. Okay, so you have to visit that particular place to collect the data. That is, it may be field visit, or it may be observation method, it may be interview method, so like that. And in case of secondary method, you have to collect your data from various magazines, journals, then research papers, various books, then various types of newspapers, etc. So where the questionnaire falls? Actually, questionnaire is also the type of primary data because you have to collect the fresh data primarily. And today we are moving towards what are the steps to write a or prepare a questionnaire. So first of all, you need to identify your research aims. What are your objectives? What you want to achieve from your results, from your findings, from your conclusion? What you want to give to the society from your research? Okay, so that aims and goals you should have to consider for preparing your questionnaire. Define your target respondents. This is also necessary. Define your target respondents. Why it is necessary? Because as per that you will able to prepare your questionnaire. How you have to prepare your questionnaire. So define your target respondents. After that, develop questions. Step by step you have to develop the questions now. So there are two types of questions. First is open ended and another one is close ended. So most probably in the questionnaire you have to use close ended questions. Why? Because it is easy to fill up those questionnaires by the respondents, because they don't have that much time to fill those responses. Okay, so you need to prepare the close ended questionnaire. And if you want one or two open ended questions, then you can add them initially. Okay, but the number of open ended questions should be less. Choose your question type, that I already told you, that is open ended or close ended. Design question sequence, overall layout. You have to prepare your questionnaire in sequence, in orderly format, in specific format. Means there should not be any misleading of the data or misleading of the questionnaire. So you have to collect the information step by step. Okay, and after that, after preparing your questionnaire, you have to run a pilot study. Means whatever questions you have prepared, questionnaire you have prepared, is it answerable from the respondents? Means are they getting understand those questions? Means are the questions understandable to the respondents? Yes or no? So this pilot study will help you in this. Okay, so I hope you get to know about how you have to frame the questionnaire. And first of all, you need to focus on your objectives while preparing the questionnaires. Okay, you can take the help of your seniors, okay, your teachers, your guide, etc., for preparing the questionnaire. You can make different sections for your questionnaire. Okay, and after that you can use various types of scales for your questionnaire. One video I will make on the scales which we can use in preparing the questionnaire. Okay, there are lots of scales So those scales which helps to frame the question, standard question, and which will help us to make a standard close ended question. Okay, so it is very very necessary that you have to prepare the questions as per your objectives. Okay, so wish you all the best to all of you, and thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned to the channel. Have a great day ahead.